Hello everyone, today I share with you how I bring the dry starter back to life. You need it when you need a break from baking and now you're back. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe. Thank you. So I have taken 4 or 5 pieces of dry starter and I added 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of flour. The water is the water we drink. We bought from the bottle from Costco, Walmart only, not the fountain water. After we stir, we rest, and then after a few hours, you stir again. The flour, you can use bread flour. I have organic on-purpose flour, so I use that. So you stir during the day, you notice that it's become rehydrated, and the next day you do the same thing, add water and flour and stir and let it rest, and you come back and stir again during the day. So this is the second day. You will get into the third day. This one you can take a break because next day I was not available, so I stick my glass into the fridge, and this is out the next day. I took it out and do the same thing. Stir, add water, flour, and stir during the day and let it rest. In our house, the temperature about 60-70 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are in the hotter region, you watch it. If it risen more, then you can go to the second step. But my house is a little cool, so I do this for 3 days. Every day 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of water, and stir during the day. You can see at the third day, the starter already stretching inside. That's a good sign. Now, on the next day, I took on out except 10 grams of the dough, and I add 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour and stir and let it rest and stir during the day. If you wonder what you do with the discard, then there are a lot of recipes that you could use the discard, like you make cracker, you make pancakes, or you can feed your plants. That was made in the beginning. You can see this Thai, the purple already coming up and look like, the starter already alive. Now you do the next time. Discard all but 10 grams of starter, add 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour, stir and rest, and during the day you stir. And before you let it rest, you make a mark. I normally use a plastic round to mark my glass, and you watch it from there until it risen double inside. Then it's ready for baking. I said to you earlier that when I first started making sourdough, I have a lot of discard, but I developed a routine that I don't have much discard now. Although I don't mind, I have a lot because I feed my plants. So it is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.